If you find yourself banned from Spotify and believe it to be a mistake, you can appeal the decision. Follow these steps to submit your appeal effectively. Step 1. Review Spotify's Terms of Service. Understand the specific reasons for your ban by reviewing Spotify's Terms of Service and Community Guidelines. This will help you identify if your actions may have violated any rules. Step 2. Gather evidence. Collect any relevant information that supports your case. This may include screenshots, emails, or any communication you had with Spotify regarding the ban. Step 3. Contact Spotify support. Visit the Spotify support page and navigate to the contact section. Choose the appropriate method to reach out, whether through support form or chat option. Step 4. Write a clear appeal. In your appeal, clearly explain why you believe the ban is unjust. Be concise, respectful, and include any evidence you gather to support your claim. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient. It may take some time for Spotify to review your case and respond. Keep an eye on your email for any updates. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your ban and increase your chances of regaining access to your Spotify account. Good luck!